What's up mga kabro, and for today's video, ang ating pag-uusapan is the problem about sending money from Gcash to bank account. There are some instances kasi na kapag nag-transfer tayo is hindi nag-a-appear sa account balances natin sa ating bank account. And some of my subscribers experience this kind of problem and they are asking for a solution. So ito na mga kabro ang pwede natin gawin kapag na-encounter nyo yung ganitong problema. There are 3 steps na pwede natin gawin. The first one is define if proof. So, paano natin gagawin? So, this is the way.
Of course, after the transaction or transferring of money from Gcash to bank, may marireceive tayong ganitong receipt or transaction receipt na transferring of money. So, ayan. Pwede nyo i-screenshot or makikita nyo rin ito dun sa email na ibinigay nyo. So, kung baga mga kabro, ito yung magiging evidence or proof natin ng transaction na katunayan na nag-transfer tayo ng pera sa ating bank.
The second step is submitting e-ticket since we have now a valid evidence. So, ano yung ating gagawin? So, ano dapat yung i-click, ano dapat yung reason, and so on and so forth. So, ito yung way.
First, open natin ang ating Google application. And then, type natin ang Gcash submit a ticket. And kung mapapansin nyo, after nyo ma-type yan, after nyo ma-search, lalabasin yung Gcash Help Center. Then, i-click natin yung nasa kaunahan na to. And ayan, dito tayo magpuproceed. And kung makikita nyo, wala pa dyan yung submit a ticket. Nasa kababaan yan. Scroll up lang natin. And then, makikita natin ang submit a new ticket. And then, click natin yung button na yan. For those people na ngayon pala makakapag-submit ng ticket sa Gcash, ayan, hihingan tayo dyan ng email address, which is dapat active para ma-receive natin yung kanilang response. Second is the Gcash registered full name, yung name natin sa Gcash account natin na ginamit natin sa pag-send sa bangko ng pera, as well as the Gcash registered mobile number. Let's proceed to the concerned category. Click lang natin yung triangle dito sa may upper right side and then makikita na natin yung ganitong mga choices. As you can see, may makikita tayo dyan, send money to bank. So yan yung i-click natin kasi dyan nakafocus or yan yung pinaka-category ng ating problem. And then may makikita na naman tayong mga choices which is ito na yung specific problem. So ang specific problem natin na i-click is the money I sent did not transfer to the nominated bank account. So click lang natin yan. Let's move on to the description of the problem. So dito explain lang natin kung ano yung nangyari dun sa ating transaction. So in my case, I sent money to bank but it does not appear on bank account balances. So dito free kayo kung ano yung gusto nyo ilagay, kung ano yung gusto nyo i-explain. Basta aligned lang of course dun sa ating concern category, dun sa ating problem. So in doing such, makakatulong ito sa pag-i-investigate ng case natin dun sa ating transaction. So in this time, hihinga na tayo ng mga details about dun sa transaction natin. And yung mga information na yon ay makukuha nyo lamang dun sa diniscuss ko na proof na sinend sa inyo nung Gcash dun sa email or yung screenshot ng transaction natin during the process ng transferring of money. Next, there is a question if you receive the Gcash reference number. If yes, click yes and then type the reference number. If no, wala tayong ilalagay of course. So for example, I received the Gcash reference number and ayan. Next is the amount. So take note mga kabrono, dapat exact amount. There is another question from the system if you receive the confirmation from SMS or in-app confirmation. If yes, please upload the attachment, which is yun yung idiniscuss ko kanina sa inyong proof na galing sa email or sa SMS natin, screenshot lang natin. To upload, just click the box which add file or drop files here. Just click it and you will proceed to your files on your phone. Since we just have a screenshot photos, hindi tayo sa file pupunta, kundi dun sa gallery para makita natin yung screenshot natin or yung downloaded natin na confirmation. And finally, ayan, uploaded ng ating attachment or yung ating confirmation na screenshot. And after reviewing all the information na tinype natin, just click the submit button para maipasa na natin yung ating appeal or request.
Step 3. May mga cases na completed na and validated na sa system ng Gcash. So, ayan, ibig sabihin na transfer ng Gcash system dun sa bank. So, nakanina yung problem ngayon. So, meaning to say, ang problem ay nasa bank. The first thing na gagawin natin is to print the Gcash transaction history like this one. Nandito kasi yung date and time, description, and reference number, and mga information na pwedeng itanong sa atin ng bank office or nung staff doon. And kasama nito mga kabro yung message sa atin sa email ng Gcash system ng help center. Nakatunayan na completed and validated na yung transaction na transferring of money from Gcash to bank. So valid dalawa yung document na ipiprint natin. The next step is proceed na tayo sa bank office. So explain natin dun sa staff na ayan, completed and validated na sa Gcash system. Ipakita nyo yung email sa inyo na printed. Sabi ko i-print nyo kasama nitong Gcash transaction history. And pakita nyo na rin ito, tapos tatanungin na lang kayo doon about dun sa mga information. And ibigay nyo lang mga kabro, huwag kayo matakot kasi bank naman yan. And of course, may what if dyan mga kabro. So what if napakalayo ko sa bank, tapos medyo maliit lang yung amount and something na hindi tayo talaga makakapunta sa bank office. So ang gagawin natin, pwede naman tayong mag-request sa help center ng isang bank. Example, the land bank. So may help center yan. So pwede nyo silang kontakin through landline or yung kanilang email mga kabro dun sa kanilang help center nga.
The first step is punta kayo sa Google and then type nyo lang yung name ng bank nyo and dugsungan nyo lang ng help center. Like for example, Land Bank Help Center. And as you noticed, parang nag-submit lang din kayo ng ticket sa Gcash. Yun nga lang, iba lang yung format nito. So hihingan din kayo dyan ng mga information regarding dun sa bank account nyo as well as dun sa transaction na ginawa nyo sa Gcash. So fill upan nyo lang lahat ng mga information na hinihingi dyan para ma-investigate agad yung case, ma-clarify ng bank kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari. So usually, magre-reply sila within 1 day or 24 hours. Basta office hour or hindi holiday and weekends.
That would be all, and I hope this video helps you a lot pagdating sa pagsasolve nyo ng pera from Gcash to bank transferring of money. So mga kabro, stay safe and God bless!